AI is changing careers, and Filipinos are leading the way. More specifically, we're going to talk about what AI means for us here in the Philippines. Is it a threat to our jobs, or is it the biggest opportunity of our generation? Let's find out together. The big question on everyone's mind is, will AI take my job? It's a valid concern. We've all seen the headlines and the futuristic movie scenes. But let's look at the reality. Historically, every major technological revolution, from the steam engine to the internet, has caused shifts in the job market. And AI is no different. So, which jobs are most likely to be affected? Think about tasks that are repetitive, predictable, and data-heavy. For example, some roles in data entry, basic customer service, and certain types of analysis might see changes. AI is incredibly good at processing huge amounts of information, spotting patterns, and performing routine tasks much faster and more accurately than a human ever could. In the BPO industry, a cornerstone of our economy, we might see AI chatbots handling initial customer queries, freeing up human agents to tackle more complex, emotionally nuanced problems that require genuine empathy and critical thinking. It's not about replacement, it's about evolution. The roles are changing, and the skills required are shifting from performing the task to managing the AI that performs the task. But here's where it gets exciting. For every task that AI automates, new doors swing wide open. This isn't a story of loss. It's a story of transformation. The rise of AI is creating a massive demand for brand new roles that didn't even exist a few years ago. We're talking about AI specialists, machine learning engineers, data scientists, AI ethicists, and prompt engineers. These are the people who build, train, and guide AI systems. Think about it. Someone needs to design the AI, someone needs to feed it the right data, and someone needs to ensure it's being used responsibly and ethically. These are high-value, future-proof jobs, and the demand is skyrocketing globally. The Philippines, with its tech-savvy, adaptable, and English-speaking workforce, is in a prime position to capture a huge slice of this new global market. Let's get practical. How can you, as a Filipino professional, ride this wave instead of being swept away by it? The key word is upskilling. It's about adding new, relevant skills to your existing expertise. You don't necessarily have to become a hardcore coder or a data scientist overnight. Start small. Learn about the AI tools that are relevant to your industry. If you're a graphic designer, start playing with AI image generators like Midjourney or Dolly to brainstorm ideas and accelerate your creative process. If you're a writer or marketer, get familiar with AI writing assistants like ChatGPT or Jasper to help you with research, outlines, and first drafts. These tools are not here to replace your creativity, but to supercharge it. They handle the grunt work, so you can focus on strategy, originality, and the human touch that no AI can replicate. There are so many resources available right now, many of them free or low cost. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and even YouTube itself are filled with courses on AI fundamentals, data science, and digital marketing with AI. Local institutions and government bodies like TESDA are also starting to roll out programs to help Filipinos become AI ready. The goal is to cultivate what we call AI literacy. This means understanding what AI can and can't do, how to work alongside it, and how to use it as a powerful tool to enhance your own capabilities. It's about shifting your mindset from being a doer of tasks to a manager of systems and a strategist of outcomes. Let's look at some real-world examples happening right here. In our agricultural sector, farmers are starting to use AI-powered apps to monitor crop health, predict weather patterns, and optimize water usage, leading to better harvests and less waste. In healthcare, AI is helping doctors analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs with greater accuracy, potentially saving lives through earlier detection of diseases. Our creative industries are also booming. Filipino artists, animators, and game developers are using AI to create stunning visuals and immersive experiences that are capturing global attention. This isn't science fiction. This is happening now. It shows that AI is not a distant, foreign concept, but a practical tool that can be applied to solve local problems and create local opportunities. So, what's the big picture for the Philippines? We have a massive opportunity to position ourselves as a key player in the global AI economy. Our demographic is young, dynamic, and digitally native. We have a strong foundation in the service industry, which can be upgraded with AI to provide even higher value services. But this won't happen automatically. It requires a concerted effort from all of us. The government needs to create supportive policies and invest in digital infrastructure. Our schools and universities need to integrate AI into the curriculum. And businesses need to invest in training their employees. And, most importantly, you, as an individual, need to take ownership of your learning journey. Be curious, be proactive. Don't be afraid to experiment. The future of work isn't about humans versus machines. It's about humans with machines. AI is a tool, arguably the most powerful tool humanity has ever created. And like any tool, its impact depends entirely on the person wielding it. Are you ready to learn how to wield it? The transformation is already underway. The careers of tomorrow are being created today. The question is no longer if AI will change your job, but how you will adapt and thrive in this new era. The future is bright for those who are prepared to embrace change, to learn continuously, and to see AI not as a threat, but as a powerful ally. So, are you ready? I believe we are. The Filipino spirit of resilience, creativity, and adaptability is exactly what's needed to succeed in this AI-driven world. Let's get skilled, get curious, and get ready to build an amazing future together. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next discussion. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What are your biggest questions or concerns about AI and your career? Let's talk about it. See you in the next video.